May we call our President, CRPT Armenia.
Good morning. Thank you for joining our celebration for our 23rd anniversary. Alam niyo po, 23rd anniversary, we mentioned 23rd anniversary. Malaki na po yung pinagdaanan ng Revamp Global City Chapter. Actually, nag-join po ako for the past 6 years pa lang. Grabe na po yung hardship ng mga leaders po namin, ng mga past presidents. So imagine, pag pinimension po, 23rd anniversary, grabe na po. So, it means we accomplish a lot. We are eager to gain more success, and we are thankful kasi naging part po namin kayo, especially the nationals na dito po ngayon, and also the sponsors. So, salamat po for joining our 23rd anniversary. So, thank you po again.
Practices that other chapters would follow. I'm really hoping na mag-continue ang longevity. And sana, yun nga po, lagi rin yung mahalin ang ating Revamp National. Thank you for the love and thank you for the support that you give to Revamp National.
Congratulations, Revamp Global City, for your 23rd anniversary. Congratulations again to all the members, and hope you will continue your par performance in all that you're doing for Revamp. Congratulations!
Happy 23rd anniversary, Revamp Global City. Grow bigger and powerful in 2024.
Congratulations, Revamp Global City, on your 23rd anniversary. This chapter is really close to my heart, as I am also close to their heart. So again, God bless you and more anniversaries to come.
Congratulations, Revamp Global City, on your 23rd anniversary. Keep up and do the good works. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Revamp Global City. We're celebrating our 23rd anniversary. 23rd anniversary, it means we went through a lot of hardship and effort. And with that, we appreciate all the past leaders of our organization. And also to our members, thank you for supporting our activities. And with that, mabuhay ang Revamp Global City.
Anniversary!